I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the amazing reverse engineering services offered in Palam Vihar, Delhi NCR by Scon Design India Private Limited. When it comes to reverse engineering, they are the experts in the field. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they provide top-notch services that are unmatched in quality and precision. Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a leading name in the industry, and their commitment to excellence is truly commendable. If you are looking for reverse engineering services in Palam Vihar, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. They offer a wide range of services that cater to various industries and sectors. Whether you need product development, CAD modeling, or even rapid prototyping, they have got you covered. Their team of experienced engineers and designers are well-versed in the latest technologies and tools, ensuring that your project is handled with utmost professionalism and efficiency. One of the key reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out from the rest is their attention to detail. They understand that every project is unique and requires a customized approach. That's why they take the time to thoroughly analyze your requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. Their reverse engineering services are not only accurate but also cost-effective, making them the perfect choice for businesses of all sizes. Another aspect that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize client relationships and strive to exceed expectations at every step of the process. From the initial consultation to the final delivery, they ensure clear communication, timely updates, and a seamless experience. Their dedication to delivering quality results is evident in their track record of successful projects and satisfied clients. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Palam Vihar, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. With their expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers exceptional reverse engineering services that will surely leave you amazed. Whether you need to recreate a product or improve an existing one, their team of skilled engineers can handle it all. From capturing data to creating accurate 3D models, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from the rest is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering precise and reliable results, which is why they use state-of-the-art technology and software to ensure accuracy in their reverse engineering processes. With their attention to detail and meticulous approach, you can trust that every project they undertake will be executed with utmost precision. Located in Palam Vihar, Delhi NCR, Scon Design